Here we go with our next question, which is from time, speed, and distance. Whenever you find any question from time and speed and distance, the very basic formula that you would be using is obviously velocity is equal to distance by time. Remember this formula, and this formula is going to help you anywhere, right? So let's quickly try to understand this question. In the question, it is said that Pranav went to the bank at the speed of 60 km per hour. While returning for his home, he covered half of the distance at the speed of 10 km/h. But suddenly he realized that he was getting late, so he increased the speed and reached the home by covering rest half of the distance at the speed of 30 km/h. And now they're asking us to find the average speed of the Pranav in the whole length of the journey. So let's try to draw this. Let's try to represent this graphically so that you'll try to understand, right? So what is there? Like Pranav is starting from his home. So this is Pranav's home, right? Now, where is he going? Pranav is going to a bank. Okay, so these are the 2 points that we have. So Pranav went to the bank at the speed of 60 km/h. So when he went to the bank directly at 60 km/h. How much? 60 km/h. And now, what happened? While returning for his home, so what happened? He's coming back from his home. Okay, he's coming back. While returning back for his home, he covered half of the distance. So what happened? So he traveled all the way from the bank. So when he came back, actually, so this is the direction. From bank he went to home, right? Now he covered half of the distance. So assume the total distance is x. Okay, this is the distance. Now he covered half of the distance from bank, which is x by 2, at 10 km/h. How much? 10 km/h. Now it is also mentioned, but suddenly he realized that he was getting late, so he increased the speed and reached the home by covering rest half of the distance at speed of 30 km/h. So from this particular point, what is it? From this particular point, he felt is getting delayed. So he covered half of the distance which is left at the speed which is 30 km/h. Are you clear? Amazing. Now, what are they asking? They're asking us to find out the average speed of the Pranav in the whole length of the journey, right? So ultimately, they're asking us to find out what the average speed, which is average speed, right? Average speed is nothing but V. You can use S as well, that's up to you. So average speed is nothing but total distance by total time, right? Total distance by total time. Tell me, what is the total distance that is covered? X. This is X, right? So X when he's traveling from home to bank, and then from bank when he's going to a certain point, which is x by 2, right? And from this point to this point, x by 2. So total it is 2x in total distance. And now, what is the total time, students? Total time is nothing but the sum of individual times from each of these sections. So what is the time taken from home to bank, students? So it is like velocity is distance by time. Time is nothing but distance by velocity. In this case, in the first case, what is the velocity, students? In the first case, what is the time? Time is nothing but distance by velocity. Distance is nothing but x, velocity is 60. So in this case, time is x by 60. What is it? X by 60. Similarly, in this case, it is x by 2 by 10. What is it? X by 2 by 10. And in this particular section, it is x by 2 by 30. What is it? X by 2 by 30. So this is your average speed. Let's try to solve, or let's try to complete this answer, which is x plus x by 2 plus x by 2 is nothing but x plus x divided by x by 60 plus x by 20 plus x by 60. Are you clear, students? X by, and this becomes 2x, right? 2x divided by x by 60 plus x by 60 becomes 2x by 60 plus x by 20, right? Now if I calculate this, I get 2x and then x by 30, this cancels, so 30, right? So 30, 20, I have an LCM of 60, and then which is 32 times, and then we have 2x plus we have 3x. So I get 2x into 60 by 5x. Are you clear? And now 5 12s. So 12 into 2 is 24. Therefore, the average speed of Pranav going from home to bank and from bank to home is simply 24 km per hour. So what is the answer? The answer is 24 km per hour. Hope you understood. So let's go to the next question.